In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VAT number in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're dealing with new or existing invoices, this process is simple and straightforward. So let's dive right into it. To begin, open up your Zoho Invoice platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Invoices section. Here, you'll have the option to work with either a new invoice or one that you have already created. If you're working on a new invoice, click on the New Invoice button to get started. For those of you who need to update an existing invoice, simply find the invoice you need and click to open it. Now, let's move on to the essential part: entering customer details. You'll want to ensure that all your customer information is filled out correctly. This includes names, addresses, and any other relevant contact information. Once those details are in place, you can proceed to the Items section. Here, under the items purchased, you'll want to make sure you're accurately listing out everything your customer has bought. Each item can be added line by line, and you'll be able to specify the quantity and price. This is also where you'll begin to configure the tax settings for each item. Next, focus your attention on the tax column within the item table. This is crucial because it is where you select the appropriate VAT. Click on the drop-down menu beside each item, and you'll have the option to choose VAT as the tax type. Make sure to select VAT where applicable, ensuring that your invoice complies with your region's tax regulations. Once you've chosen VAT for your items, if everything looks good, you'll have two options: Save as Draft or Save and Send. If you're still in the process of finalizing details or need to get approval, selecting Save as Draft is a sensible choice. This option allows you to come back and make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the invoice. On the other hand, if everything is ready and you're comfortable sending out the invoice, go ahead and choose Save and Send. This will issue the invoice to your customer promptly. And there you have it. That's how you add a VAT number in Zoho Invoice. By following these steps, you can ensure that your invoices are accurate, professional, and compliant with VAT requirements. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any queries or need more detailed guidance, feel free to get in touch. Until next time, happy invoicing.